Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 4, hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're beginning a whole new 50 Stack Challenge. I almost made it through the last one. The last one was mostly Christmas ephemera, but about the last 3 weeks, I got so busy I just didn't get to finish the last 3 weeks. But I'm excited to be starting out a new one, and the themes for this one are journals. So she's picking out things like today's prompt is tag and bird. So you make a tag or like a tag journal, or you can do, and then a bird that you put into a bird journal or something you can use for that. So I have got my paper for my tags, and I've got my bird, and I'm going to use this Tim Holtz aviary collage paper, and we'll just see what we get. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. I hope your Christmas was wonderful, and I hope you're having a good new year and that the rest of the whole year will be great. Let me find my cutter. I forgot to get everything. Okay. So I can just make this into a folding tag. I need to trim off that edge. Straighten that up. And let's see, I need 7 inches. I'll save that piece. Well, have you made some resolutions? Mine is I'm going to try to get more organized. So far, I've been struggling with that. My sweet sons bought me a new craft desk. So I've been trying to, let's see here. So I've been trying to get my craft room organized, but it seems to be very slow go. Okay, I'm going to do 3.5 inches on these tags. And I think I folded it the wrong way, but it still will work out. Now, let me get that folded down, get a good crease in it. And I'm just going to cut my tag shape. And now we'll have writing space, and I may find me some paper and put on the back as well. I have plenty of writing space, but first I'm going to just go ahead and distress this. Well, I hope I do get my craft room organized. There's so much things I want to do, and then when I need it, I can't find it. I have a very limited space, and that makes it hard. But I probably could have all the room in the world and still be struggling, because I am a messy crafter, and I really need to work on that. And I wanted to declutter my house, and now it's hard to declutter your craft room because every crafter knows you'll need it at some point. But I think I will declutter some of I used to do, have a DIY channel, which I don't anymore. And so I think some of the stuff I had gathered up for that, wreath forms and stuff like that. I think I will declutter some of that, because it's just only so much room you could have. I got lots of stuff from Dollar Tree that, you know, to make signs and things like that. And I'll keep some of it, I'm sure, but the rest of it I'm just gonna let go. It just makes me tired to look at it. Okay, let me find some paper to go on the back of that. All these scraps, I'm sure I've got something. Well, that'll work. It's just some packaging I had ripped off. Let's see. I don't even think I'm going to ink around it. Let's see. Yeah, I think that looks better. It looks top heavy the other way. Okay. Let me get my glue. I enjoy Amy's channel. I highly encourage you to go check it out. She is so talented, and I'm going to have to figure out a way to watch. There's so many people I love to watch. The problem is it's just not that much time in the day to catch everything and still craft and all. I'm going to have to figure out something. And I have a cooking channel as well, so I've got people that I watch on my cooking channel also. So I guess that's why I tend to go sometimes for shorter, I put it on the wrong side. I think that's why I tend to go for shorter videos, because I know it's hard to watch everybody. But I don't know, as I get to going, I may go with longer videos. Good thing that was glue stick, not art glitter. There we go. Leave it to me. Glue off. Okay, now I love this little girl, so I'm going to add her on there, and these flowers. And these flowers I got from Christie's Printables, and I've been doing Junk Journal January, and I did one yesterday with a little old lady. And that was also, I forgot to mention it in the video, but that was also from Christie's Printables. I love her printables. She doesn't have a channel, but she's on Facebook. But she is so talented. So I'm going to go with that. And I am going to use my art glitter glue, if I can find it. Oh, it was hot. Okay. But she has some extraordinary images. I want to learn to use AI. I think that's what she does hers with. I would love to learn to design images and digitals. I'm just at a loss to know how to start. Go. And I've got this. I'm gonna clip off some of that back. And that's going to be my tab topper. Still going to be a little bumpy, but I don't want to take the center out. I'm going to probably have to. Let's see here what I can do. I'd love to stagger these leaves. So all right. Yeah, I like that much better. Well, let's see. I don't have that backing on. Maybe I can still glue it down. Well, I think what I'm going to have to do is use a brad. Let me see. Let me get my awl. Maybe I can use my pen. Try this again. Persevere, don't give up. Okay. They just determined to go in together. All right. Wipe that glue off. Uh-oh. I am struggling here. Tell you what, I haven't even gotten my room cleaned up yet, and I still can't, and I already can't find stuff. Okay. How cute. All right. I love that. I don't know whether to, I don't think it will hurt to leave it like it is. You can still write. And I think I want to I love it. And of course, the only thing missing is the gold splatters. I do need to cover up her face though. Okay. My paints are a mess. First tacked on, and I think it's adorable. Okay, now for prompt number 2, bird. So what I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a journaling card. Just rid of some of this stuff. And I've got this music. I think I'm just going to fold in half. Glue it. Get my glue book. I doubled it to make it a little sturdier. Well, it was connected. I love birds. I get so much enjoyment out of them. I like the digitals I have, but I would love to find some that's more vibrant. Let's see here. Trim that off just a little. Now, let me go ahead and make sure that's down really well. Let's see how I'm going to do this. That. Okay. So I'm just gonna go over the sheet music. I'll stick with that so I can put a focal point on there. Imagine that, glue sticky. This is beautiful paper, and I don't think to use it that much. I'm going to have to do like a nature journal or a bird journal or something like that. There's so many journals I want, and time just gets away from me before I didn't even get my Christmas journals done. Okay, I love that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put down some backing paper. Let's see here. I believe I got this in Happy Mail. It's pretty and it's neutral, so you can write on it. Okay. Glue on this. Trim it up. I think I'm going around the corners, but I probably need to let the glue dry a little more. Okay. But I will. I've already inked my bird. Maybe I need some cheesecloth. Oh, got burlap. Maybe just a piece of, yeah. Something like that. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Get my bird down. Cute. And I want to find a saying to go on that. Follow your heart. I like this one. Every day is a second chance. Let me cover up the white on the edge. Let me get the corners. And I need to ink up the edges. I really like how this turned out. I love the paper, the Tim Holtz paper. I've only got 2 rolls. This one and typeset or something like that. And I believe put a washi sticker on that. I think a butterfly. Oh, that's pretty. Well, it might be better to get it right side up. It's still pretty. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I need my glasses changed. All right. And just a few gold splatters. Well, I thought I wasn't going to have to spray it again, but I am. And I may just a few black. Don't need much because you got the background. Alrighty then. So you can see number 1 and number 2. We've got our tag. And we've got our bird. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 4. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And hopefully I'll see you next week. Bye, y'all.